start of the B-MAIN two-wheel drive modified. Whoa! Well folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at ctsr for off-road club race day. We're gonna go out for the mains. We just finished our 3 qualifiers. We're gonna go out in the main with two-wheel drive MOD Buggy. They're doing spec and mod during their club race series. And this is my two-wheel drive modified buggy, my associated B7D. No real changes on it except for the last time we ran. I was running the tread tires. I'm on the J Concept Smoothie 2 slicks all the way around this whole day. It's been working out great. Qualified P2 in the B-MAIN. All the electronics are the same as what I had before. Ace battery is the new Redline 2.0, and I'm running the J Concept Smoothie 2 slicks. Let's see how we do in this B-MAIN. Hopefully I can go from 2 to 1. I'm late. I thought I was in race 10. I'm in race 9. I'm up right now. Sorry guys, spazzed out. I thought for sure I was in race 10. Jeepers. All right, starting practice. Thank you. I was like, oh, I'm in 10, I'm fine. All right, this is the start of the B-MAIN two-wheel drive modified. Whoa! Starting in P2 in the B. This is the team associated B7D on J Concept Smoothie 2 slicks with the 13.5 motor and a Hobby Wing XR10 stock spec G2 or whatever the newest one is. Maybe it's a G3. I think it's a G2.
Marshall ready, drivers ready, stop less than 5.
Whoa. Traction roll. Oh, this is good. Whoa. Heard a lot of crashing. Gives me a couple corner lead now. Whoa! Lap traffic.
Kennedy should terminer le bureau. Deux minutes à faire. Un seconde, Kennedy should terminer le bureau.
All right, time is over. Gotta just cross the line, try and do this clean. All right, we did it again. All right, rough start, guys, rough start, but yeah. 19 and, oh, I got to lap up on all of them. 19 and 6, 19 and 5:15. Sweet. All right, guys, that was two-wheel drive B-MAIN. Yo, good luck, buddy. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.